I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a device from your Stripe account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by navigating to the Stripe website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you can manage all your account settings. Step 3. Go to the Settings menu. In the dashboard, look for the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom left corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Find the Devices section. Within the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Devices or Security. This is where you can view all registered devices. Step 5. Remove the device. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you accidentally remove the wrong device, you may need to go through the verification process again to re-add it. I hope this guide helps you manage your Stripe devices easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.